that. Wow. Ma, we're going up the mountain today. So today, it's so early, so today we're planning to go up behind the house, up the mountain a little bit, and we're gonna go harvest my grandpa's cassava. So that'll be exciting. You ready, Tata? No. Now we got a bunch of laundry drying up right now because finally it's not raining. I swear, like most of the trip here, it was just pure rain. I mean, it's good, but can't really do much when it's raining, so it's good that the sun finally came out. Alright guys, we're gonna follow Lolo up to the mountain. So there's a little pathway going up. So my Lolo is 88 years old and he's still going up the mountains. This is amazing.
Yeah, okay, Tay. Yeah, I'll bring that one. Okay.
Oh.
So it's a good day for harvesting.
Sige.
Cassava.
We're getting the whole family to come up. Sige.
Manguha kami ng ano, kamuting kahoy.
Oh. We're gonna go get some kamote kahoy, tapioca, cassava. Let's go. Ah, sige. Look, even the dog's coming.
Una.
Yo.
Hey guys. Grandpa is still very strong.
Yeah, guys.
Top of the hill.
My Lolo, my grandpa is 88 years old. Look at that. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Ooh, ooh.
Carefully. Mind your head.
Alright, look.
Okay. Yeah. Be careful not to twist yung ano na yan.
Jo! Sura niya ang papayas.
Papayas to.
Maraming bunga daw.
Ah.
Saan daw ang papayas maraming bunga?
Look at that, guys. The pure forest right behind the house. The house is right there and it's just all forest. What are we gonna check? Ano? Oh, papaya? Whoa. Oh, what the hell? I thought I touched a spider web. I don't like spiders. Huh? Oh. Ganda sa video. Oh, we're really in the thick of it, guys. Like literally. This dog is still shy of everyone. Oh, look at that papaya.
Oh! Dami pa ng bunga, oh. Oh!
What are all of these, ma? Oh, this is kamote kahoy? Oh my god. Oh, look at all that papaya. There's more.
Yan kinuha yung aking papaya eh.
Oh, that's papaya big. Another papaya tree. Whoa, these are long.
Eh?
What the heck?
Yung dati mas mahaba pa eh. Pinupuno nila galing.
Sabi?
Ah, dito kinuha yung malaki noon.
Whoa. Nice.
Then yung
Oh, that's big too.
kulay dilaw.
Also, my voice is still a little bit bad because I have a cold. But it's better than a few days ago. A few days ago, I could barely talk. Look, there's a nest, guys. But no eggs. The nest is so low, like that's the ground. The nest right there. Oh, cool. Never seen that in person. It's an Atsuete tree.
Pag hindi pa siya green.
Was it in Bisaya? Chotes?
I don't know.
Kimra, ano sa Bisaya? Cutis.
Cuties.
Oh, so in Bisaya is cutis in our language here. Tagalog is Atsuete. Ah, cool. I'm already working up a sweat. Oh, we're going really inside. Nice. Look at Lolo, guys. Lolo's really good at it. Let's go. Hi guys, we're here at the Cassava area. Where Lolo plants. Oh, this is where Lolo planted all his cassava. Oh, all of these. It's a lot, and we're still going. Oh, I'm really starting to sweat now. Also, I feel like the mosquitoes are gonna have a feast while we're here. I know.
Spider.
Oi! No. Walk. Way Ah. Oh, Auntie's gonna harvest. Let's go.
Mumangko, tepong ko.
Oh, there's Jack.
Jack.
Ha? Dalawan. Oh, dalawan. Oh. Yun na yun. Ito kanina
Bakit hindi pa bunutin?
Huh? Auntie's using a little steel bar
para madali mo.
to harvest it. Alright guys, had to switch over to the phone because the GoPro is having issues.
Ito, dulaw man ito.
Very good. I'm getting shy. Alright, let's go. I hope we got it earlier, but if not, at least we have the cell phone. So, Auntie's using a metal bar.
Tumay.
Oh.
Roam around the camera.
Na, kuan ganin lulong ran.
Oh. Wow.
White.
Nice.
White.
So that's the white one. Yeah, I think some yellow ones in there. Nice, Ante.
Doon tayo. Kabila.
Sige. Look at the dogs. Let's go, Tata. He's a thick dog. Oh.
Buli kang bibiyak ha, sa buli kang bibiyak.
Ya.
Yan. Pas lagi ya, ya. Hindi dyan, ya.
Yeah.
Nga, lawan na ko. Tawag na sunod. Beer na. Karadlok.
Wala, ilo ka dahil. Bulaan na lang ano.
That's what Mom wants, right?
Yeah.
That one. That's all Mommy wants.
Limaharan din.
Ilo ka dahil.
How would you describe it? It's very
tawag dyan?
What's-
Hindi mo tawag tatay. Ista ng butas.
What's the name of that, Ma?
Wala rin.
Ewan ko, ano ba tawag dito?
It's kind of chalky. I don't know how to describe the texture of that. Very.
Marate.
Mara.
Nain.
Oh,
See that?
it's nice to eat that.
Ano tawag dito?
Bukang.
Kosan. Let's go.
Mm.
Let me see, Ma, up close.
Try it. Try it.
Sige. It's like, I don't know how to describe the texture. It's just like that. Let's try it.
Sarap eh.
Oh yeah, it's good. It's like soft. I don't know how to describe how it is. But it's sweet. Stop. So this is everything that Lolo had planted, you guys.
Cassava.
Cassava. And here's Mom eating her coconut seed thing. It's like the pulp or something. Not the pulp. Basta? Jesus. Oh, that's a big one. A long one. Nice, ante. Oh. Look at all the ants that Auntie just got the cassava from. Ooh. These ants are very mad right now. Oh my god, they're all over my feet. Ash. Ash. Ash, ash, ash. Huh?
Bahol lang. Kaagon ko ba yan?
Nami ikidaal ba? Yung monong gusto tiyaw. Ang rabo. Kidaal ka namin? Gani na.
Ooh. Oh shit, it's huge. What the heck? Oh.
Mahal pa. Ito kaya magay. Dopa.
Nice, Auntie.
Tama na.
Oh.
Medyo pa.
Oh, there's more.
Baul. Ang ato doon naging kaya tigman na siya guys. Kadyo siya patay rin.
Nice.
Guys.
Alright, let's fly the drone, guys, and like see what it looks like from up there. We're going home now. Just finished flying the drone. We got some pechoka, some cassava. So that'll be for breakfast. Hey, Lolo got another stick.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
The dogs, they follow us up there. Yay, back home.
So baby sister, say hello.
Jessica.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is the pechoka or the cassava that we harvested yesterday. So I'm gonna have that for breakfast. Let's take a small little piece. I eat it with sugar. Mom just eats it straight up. So that. Mama.
Saka ito.
Yeah. This is from the cassava from yesterday. It's our breakfast
Sis,
for the next few days.
pusit. Ano ang pusit ko?
And lanzones, it's a fruit. It's like clear inside. It's like almost like jelly.
Bangka.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ano yung kumara doon?
Yeah. We're gonna end the vlog. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was us going up in the mountains harvesting my grandpa's cassava. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.